Oh, hey, you guys ever heard of that app called DoorDasher? The one where you deliver food to people, like this one? More importantly, have you ever wondered how much money you could make on DoorDash? In the next 12 hours, we're gonna find out. We're about to dash. It's gonna be the first dash. Ready? Go! Okay, we got one.
Quick.
Take it?
Yes.
First one, you gotta take it.
Oh, yeah. Where are we going?
Going to Jewel. Oh, we got a breakfast to break. Kyle, open the trunk.
How? Where? I pressed this button?
Yeah.
I pressed it.
No. Oh. We're right next to the cart, guys.
Perfect.
Let's go. Get it, dude.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go. 310, 310.
There we go.
Got 450 plus a tip.
Yeah, $3.
Yeah,
Let's go.
Got another one. This is order 2. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Perfect.
Are we not in the road? This company.
25.48. Boom.
Nice.
I'm gonna leave right there. Okay. Another happy customer.
And Wingstop. There we go.
Oh.
All right.
This is dash. What is this? 3?
Dash.
4? We're losing track. We gotta go.
Yeah, we got too many. Yeah. Sharks, fish, and chicken.
Got the chicken. 12 minutes.
Nice little sunset shot. The big question.
Yeah,
how much money do you think we'll make?
We probably made like $30, but we gave 2 away to a homeless woman.
That's
She
worth
gets
it
a
though.
prize.
That's dash bag.
Oh, dude.
Ready? Let's get it.
I'm sprinting. We gotta go.
Look at the energy on this kid.
Chipotle, more like Chipotle. Yay.
Good Lord.
Is this right? Is
I
this
got
wrong,
2
police?
and I'm gonna guess when Kalen's coming. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, damn.
Yeah, we got 2 orders.
Oh, dang.
That took a long time and now it's dark.
That really did. Get it going. Here he comes.
Get it. 1 mile. Oh God. That was for a video. I didn't actually mean it.
McDonald's.
Here's another one.
Alright. Go, go, go. What the hell just happened, man?
So we went to go drop off this dash and we didn't record because it was police barricaded because there was a crime scene starting at the house we were supposed to dash at. We successfully dashed it though. We might have just seen like a murder scene. Woo.
What's the time? Yeah.
4 hours and 15 minutes.
Wow.
We're making it.
7 hours, 45 minutes to go.
Yeah. Jasmine G's gotta get her food. We're switching locations. Going back up north because there's more money up there.
Oh, wait, can you
Go
flip
like
this? So I can see
I'm
it?
on the vlog.
Yeah, I'm on the vlog, man.
Yeah. Plus 3 in
In
Lincoln
Lincoln
Park
Park.
right now. So we get a $3 bonus for every single dash that we complete. Let's go. You're looking cute tonight, Charlie. Not.
$19 this one is? Wait, it's when you cross the street.
Got it.
There we go.
Suzanne, something about lemon, veal, and capers. We hit a completely different neighborhood, dude.
Fatso's Last Stand. They're not even trying to be subtle. Just
Lincoln Park.
all the fatties. Come over here.
Do it, dude.
There we go.
Let's go. Wait, what are we at? We just hit the 6-hour mark.
Yo.
Halfway there.
Yo. Over halfway. Let's go. 8:04.
How much money are we at?
I don't know.
Dude, you gotta stay to the end of the video. How much money we end up getting.
And there he is. Woo.
We gotta go. Juan needs her order. We are here.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
This video gets 100 likes. We will do 24 hours as soon as that.
DJ Kalen. We the best music. It's Wrigley, guys.
It's Wrigley, guys.
Just trust us.
728 wave.
Let's do it.
Add it to the total. Got another.
Yo.
Bag me.
Let's do it. Bag. Yeah. DJ Kalen. We the best music.
Lincoln Park is drier than Charlie's love life.
Damn.
So we're gonna try to find a new spot and just boogle around.
Yeah, somewhere south.
Let's go.
Dash bag. All right. Love that chicken from Popeyes.
Y'all go get this man some chicken.
What do you mean?
Yo, my guy. You enjoy it. Have a good night, dude. Go have a good night. Enjoy it. Eat all of it.
Nice. All right, back in the dash.
Joel Haskell.
Yeah.
She's so she's just like, thank you. We put good in the world, man.
Nice, dude.
That's 2 wins that can happen.
I just got a DoorDash. Billy K. Where does he live?
I don't know. Prayer instead, okay.
Oh, we got a good one, dude.
Nice.
And we're both ready to roll.
Let's go. Get your grub on, Lawrence.
Get your grub on, Lawrence. We're at a hotel. We only have 90 minutes left. We've made like $1.
Dang, we got it.
How much can we make in the last 90? Thank you, have a good night. Look at this house. Getting their 1 a.m. Taco Bell. Just a little.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good night. This is the last DoorDash. Thank you, dude. Have a great night. Your last dash dance.
Yeah.
Dash dance. That's it. We made $153, 22 cents in 12 hours of DoorDashing. See you later.
Mic drop. Game over.